This is Coach Karan Godwin, and these are the Ball Hog Glove X Factor. They take away the natural grip of the ball, forcing your hands and fingers to work overtime. The D-cone is the perfect complement to the Ball Hog Gloves. Whether you want to work on your ball handling with cone drills, shooting with a hand in the face. For drills, follow at Coach Godwin on Instagram and go to ballhoggloves.com.
And welcome everyone to Toronto and Air Canada Center. The first of a couple of great games. Big basketball tonight on ESPN. After this one in San Antonio, minus Tony Parker in Houston. That series at 1-1. Tomorrow night on ABC, a huge one. The Warriors in Salt Lake City, Utah, taking on the Jazz.
Well, Cleveland in this series, they're scoring 120 points, but the shooting has been off the charts. They're averaging 16 threes a game in this, shooting 50% from the floor and 48% in threes. That's off the charts for playoff basketball.
And to think that this team came into the playoffs with a lot of question marks after going 10-14 in March and April. Never a question about LeBron James, though.
See, if you're not going to double team LeBron in the post, you're in trouble.
Boy, Kevin Love is out here doing work early. Kevin Love with 8 quick points to start the game. James got downhill and draws the foul. Valanciunas and Tucker were both defending on the play. We'll see who the foul call goes against. Here's LeBron James against P.J. Tucker. LeBron right over the top.
You know, they're going to play better at home, but we got to be better defensively.
In particular, you said you expected a lot more from DeRozan and Ibaka. How would you rate how you've rotated and tried to contain them?
Well, we didn't do what we're supposed to do, so let's do it right first, and then we'll see how it works.
Thank you, Ty. Appreciate it.
Aaron Williams guarded by DeLon Wright. On the pick and pop to LeBron, who's been shooting the three very well. No time to spin the ball in front of Patterson, but he made it anyway.
Well, your point was excellent because he's shooting the three in this series at a ridiculous 54%.
Rosen pushing the tempo. Love with the block. Great defensive play by Kevin Love.
Well, because DeRozan was going so far away, he had to come back to his right hand.
J.R. Smith, all this talk about him defending DeRozan. Remember, J.R. Smith can shoot the ball, a well above average three-point shooter. LeBron put the body on him and got the lefty layup with a soft touch. And now LeBron is guarding DeRozan, forcing the miss. Boy, Love wanted to hit LeBron with another one of those long outlets, Hubie. The last tie was at 18, and now the Cavs take the lead back. Irving hits his 4th field goal tonight. He's got 10. Korver with the fake, and that's why he led the NBA, folks, in three-point shooting on 4 different occasions. Joseph inside. LeBron kicked it into 4th gear and draws the hit. Powell tasked with guarding James, and now Joseph switches on to him.
Well, see, he wants that point guard switch.
Love, yes.
Come on now. You can't be that far away. When LeBron pulls up his dribble, you've got to get to your man.
With the left hand,
boy.
He's got a whole bunch of tools in that box. 2 for James. Tough step back. Got it.
That's a killer. That's a killer right there.
LeBron, a little bully ball on Tucker. Drew the hit and goes back to the foul line.
Remember, the score at one time at the end of the quarter was 79-77. And you look at it now, it's 11-3 with the potential of going up.
Cavaliers trying to go up 3-0. LeBron James working against Ibaka, stares him down, and that jumper is butter right now, smooth as silk. LeBron inside.
Pretty.
What a feed to Thompson off the pull-up. And the Cavaliers leading by 19 by virtue of a 17-1 run. Kyle Korver is definitely in the building.
Yeah, I would
I got
think
my
so.
Kyles mixed up
there. You go.
About 3.5 to go. James spun it around
There
like
it
a
is
DJ on the turntable, and he is working and making music out there with 35. Shumpert with the steal, and this one is cooked, glazed, and ready to be sliced as the Cleveland Cavaliers will go up 3-0 in the series on the Raptors behind LeBron James, 35 points. Kevin Love had a good night as well with 16. Kyrie Irving also with 16, and Kyle Lowry never peeled off his sweats tonight.
LeBron, a 2-point game starting the 4th quarter, a 20-3 run. What was the turning point?
The second unit guys came in, gave us a big push. Kyle, D. Will, Shump. That lineup that we had out there was big for us. Double T stepped up in the second half and gave us great energy.
In particular, Kyle Korver was huge off the bench. What have you discovered about what he gives this team in the time since he joined you?
Best thing he gives us is another true professional. Guy comes in every single day, works on his craft, works on his body, works on his game, and it all translates to the floor, so we all can respect that.
A year ago, you came here after winning the first two at Cleveland. They won two here. How, if at all, did that shape your mindset this time around, LeBron?
Well, for me, I don't dwell on the past. I can only focus on the present, and that's what we did today. We knew we was going to get their best shot. DeMar had it going all game long. He had his pull-up going. He was getting to the free throw line, which we didn't want to do, but he put the pressure on us, and we just tried to combat that by playing great basketball when it counted, and we did that.
How important to close it out as a sweep, LeBron?
Listen, we have an opportunity to do it. It's not about the sweep. It's not about how important it is. This is about to go out and play Cavaliers basketball. And if we can do that the close to 48 minutes, we give ourselves a good chance to win time.
Appreciate the time, LeBron.
All right, thank you.